2 months ago, over 130 people affected by the Lubigi wetland restoration exercise petitioned NEMA seeking reconsideration of their occupancy of the wetland. This compelled NEMA to halt the restoration exercise in the said areas to allow review of the petitions before continuation of the exercise. The petitioners were led by their lawyers of Lukwago company advocates.
Each single appellant has a right to be heard. They can be heard directly or together with their lawyer or together with any other witness they want to bring on board.
However, upon conclusion of the petition exercise from claimants, no evidence informing reverse of the restoration exercise was established.
There was no evidence adduced to the committee to warrant change in decision. Apart from those who are waiting for compensation, who also know that they have to go.
According to NEMA, the review committee only established a few cases of project-affected persons awaiting compensation from KCCA under the World Bank project. Dr. Akankwasah Barirega says the second phase of the restoration exercise, which is currently ongoing, will now cover the earlier contested areas of Greater Kampala.
We got a list from KCCA, so those ones will be given time to go away. It's not compensation for being in wetland, no. That's Channel Works, it is World Bank project. It has nothing to do with us.
In a meeting held on Friday between NEMA and the section of Kampala political leaders led by the Lord Mayor Arias Lukwago, several issues were agreed upon on this subject.
That requires a bit of time. We need to carry out a verification exercise. We need to do a harmonization exercise. We need to do some validation exercise. On
the contrary, NEMA has launched a translated and simplified version of the National Environmental Management Act of 2019.
Without going into the section this, I don't know what subsection, we say the law says you should not destroy things around you. If you do, this is what will happen. That is the core message for the ordinary citizen of this country. And that's what we struggle to do.
The dissemination of awareness creation of this act was affected by the outbreak of COVID-19 in 2020.
So the dissemination was not adequate, and so this is going to build on the drive to disseminate the act and its meaning. Why? You cannot comply to what you do not know.
The translated version of the Act is intended to better public understanding of the environment and its stipulation in the protection of the environment. The Act, translated in 3 languages of Ateso, Luganda and Runyoro so far, will also ensure existence of legal frameworks that are understood by all stakeholders.
Now, what the popular version will help is to make that process easy for the people living in Uganda, the citizens and the non-citizens, so that they know what is it that the law provides for.
And we hope the interest will be built even deeper. I know when we're agreeing on these languages, there was a big debate.
The simplified version of the Act was translated by a formidable team in partnership with Uganda Wildlife Conservation Society and other partners led by Christine Okello, Augustine Omare and Solomon Kwebiha. Susan Naung and Daniel Lugemwa reporting for ABC TV.